Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dental chews is probably one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to maintain your furry friend's oral hygiene, transforming a potentially tedious task into a delightful treat that actively combats plaque, tartar, and bad breath, ensuring your dog's smile stays bright and healthy with every satisfying crunch. Number 5. Greenies Adult Natural Dental Dog Treats. Give your dog the best in daily dental care. These treats are designed to support the 4 key areas veterinarians check most: plaque, tartar, gums, and breath. Recommended by veterinarians, these dental chews actively clean your dog's teeth and freshen their breath. They are made with natural ingredients, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients for a healthy smile. Incorporate these treats into your daily routine to combat tartar and plaque buildup. Studies show a significant reduction in accumulation within just 28 days. These treats offer clinically proven results for your dog's oral hygiene. They are specifically formulated to help maintain a healthy mouth for your furry friend. Designed for dogs between 25 to 50 pounds, their unique texture cleans down to the gum line. They also help balance the oral microbiome, supporting overall health. What we like. If your dog needs daily dental care, this is a great option. It's designed to tackle the 4 main areas vets check: plaque, tartar, gums, and breath. If you're looking for a vet-approved way to maintain your dog's oral hygiene with natural ingredients, consider this. What people say. The product is very effective in cleaning dogs' teeth. It has a unique design that makes it easy to use. The features are well thought out and contribute to better dental hygiene for dogs. Number 4. Native Pet Yak Cheese Dog Chews. Crafted with just 4 simple ingredients, our yak chews are made with pure goodness. They contain no artificial additives or fillers, ensuring a natural and healthy treat for your dog. These protein-rich chew sticks are perfect for daily enrichment. They keep your pup engaged and satisfied for hours, supporting their overall well-being. As your dog gnaws, these chews help clean their teeth and promote healthier gums. They are designed to strengthen teeth and support excellent oral hygiene. These long-lasting chews help reduce boredom and encourage calm behavior. They provide mental enrichment while supporting dental health. Gentle on sensitive stomachs and completely odorless, these chews offer a safe and mess-free alternative. They are a rawhide-free way to satisfy your dog's chewing needs. Designed for power chewers, these long-lasting chews promote dental health. They can even be microwaved into a crunchy treat, making them ideal for aggressive chewers. Our yak chews come in various sizes to suit dogs of all breeds and ages. These medium-sized chews are perfect for dogs up to 50 pounds, gentle on their teeth. What we like. For the persistent chewer, this offers hours of engagement and dental benefits. If you have a dog that loves to chew and you're looking for a durable, protein-rich option that's also mess-free and easily digestible, this is the one to try. What people say. The product is easy to use and my dog tolerates it well. It effectively removes plaque and tartar buildup, leaving my dog's teeth cleaner. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making the cleaning process more efficient. Number 3. PetSilver Teeth and Gum Spray. Say goodbye to stinky pet breath. This easy-to-use spray is a convenient way to freshen your pet's breath and support their overall oral health. Just a few sprays are all it takes. Our all-natural formula uses patented chelated silver to help manage plaque and tartar buildup. It gently combats bacteria, supporting healthy gums and promoting better oral hygiene for your furry friend. Simplify your pet's dental routine. No brushing is required with this spray. It's a quick and effective way to incorporate essential dental care into their daily life. Featuring advanced chelated silver technology, this spray ensures optimal particle distribution for effective results. It's a gentle yet powerful way to address bad breath and reduce plaque. Proudly made in the USA and FDA registered, this dental spray offers a trusted and high-quality solution for your pet's oral care needs. Enhance their routine with confidence. What we like. If brushing your pet's teeth is a challenge, this spray offers a simple solution. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to freshen breath and support oral health without the hassle of brushing, this patented silver formula is ideal. What people say. The product is very effective in cleaning my dog's teeth. My dog loves the taste of this dental chew, making teeth cleaning a breeze. The design of the chew toy helps to reach all areas of my dog's mouth for a thorough clean. Number 2. Zesty Paws Dental Bones for Small Dogs. Tired of boring dental chews? Introducing our all-in-one functional dental bones. They support your dog's dental health, freshen breath, and control plaque and tartar, with added benefits for small breeds. Say goodbye to bad breath, tartar, and plaque. These easy-to-chew dental bones feature a delicious cinnamon flavor and a unique texture. They effectively clean teeth, promote healthy gums, and combat dental issues. While your dog enjoys chewing, they also receive essential gut and immune system support. Each bone is packed with premium ingredients like Epicure Pets, omega-3 fatty acids, and inulin. Support your dog's skeletal health with these long-lasting bones. They contain calcium for strong bones and omega-3 fatty acids to aid in hip and joint care for your beloved canine. Give your dog a healthy and shiny coat. The fatty acids, including omega-6 and omega-3, work to support vibrant skin and a lustrous coat, making them look and feel their best. What we like? This option goes beyond just dental care, offering a holistic approach to your dog's well-being. If you want a dental treat that also supports immunity, gut health, skin, and coat, all while freshening breath with a pleasant cinnamon flavor, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This product is a game changer for my dog's dental hygiene. It effectively removes plaque and tartar, leaving his teeth sparkling clean. The design of this dental tool is ergonomic and easy to use. It reaches all areas of my dog's mouth, ensuring a thorough cleaning. I've noticed a significant improvement in my dog's breath since using this product. His gums are also healthier and less inflamed. Number 1. Vet's Best Dog Dental Care Kit. Give your furry friend the best in oral hygiene. This kit provides everything you need for a healthy smile. Developed with veterinary expertise, our formula is safe and effective for your canine companion. Ensure their dental health is in good hands. Combat plaque buildup and reveal a brighter smile. It works diligently to keep their teeth clean and healthy. Say goodbye to bad breath. This toothpaste leaves their mouth feeling fresh and clean, making cuddle time more enjoyable. Brushing is made easy with the included finger toothbrush. It allows for gentle and effective cleaning, even for sensitive gums. Invest in their long-term health with regular dental care. A clean mouth contributes to overall well-being. What we like? For those who prefer a traditional brushing routine, this kit provides everything you need. If you're looking for a veterinarian-formulated toothpaste and an easy-to-use finger toothbrush to effectively clean, whiten teeth, and freshen breath, this comprehensive kit is perfect. What people say. The product is easy to use and effective for cleaning dog teeth. My dog's breath improved significantly after using this product for a week. The design of the brush allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas of the mouth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.